Welcome to USA Tech Picks. If you're ready to fire up your backyard game, stick around. We're counting down the top 5 outdoor gas griddles that bring the heat. ***. Number 1 is introducing the Blackstone 1813 Original 20 to Tabletop Griddle, the perfect companion for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Built with a sleek stainless steel front plate and durable powder-coated steel frame, it combines rugged performance with modern design. The 22-inch flat top offers 361 square inches of cooking space, powered by dual heat zones for ultimate temperature control. Whether you're grilling breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the hinged hood helps retain heat and protect your griddle. Compact, portable, and powerful, it's a game-changer for tailgates, camping, or backyard feasts. Number 2 is Blackstone 1883 Original 28 Griddle, your ultimate outdoor kitchen upgrade. With an integrated protective hood, counter-height side shelves, and a spacious 524 square inch cooking surface, it's built for serious grilling. Crafted from durable powder-coated steel, this griddle delivers performance, convenience, and style perfect for any backyard CH. Number 3 is Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Gas Grill, the perfect blend of power and portability. Featuring dual stainless steel burners that deliver a total of 20,000 BTUs, this grill heats up fast and cooks evenly every time. The twist start ignition ensures a quick, hassle-free start, while the stainless steel construction adds durability and sleek appeal. Ideal for camping, tailgates, or backyard BBQs, it offers easy setup and powerful performance wherever you go. Grill like a pro, anywhere you. Number 4, elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Cuisinart 360 Griddle Cooking Center. Featuring a 22 inches round flat-top grill, this powerhouse delivers 30,000 BTUs across dual burners for even, high-performance heat. The stainless steel vented lid allows for versatile cooking from searing to steaming, while the folding prep table adds convenience and workspace. With built-in grease management, cleanup is a breeze. Whether it's BBQs, cookouts, or weekend feasts, this all-in-one gas griddle is built to impress and designed to perform. Number 5 is Cuisinart delivers big performance in a small package with the Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. Perfect for camping, tailgates, and tight spaces, this compact tabletop grill features a 5,500 BTU burner that heats quickly and cooks evenly. Its folding legs and carry handles make it ultra-portable, while the vibrant red finish adds a pop of style. Whether you're grilling on the go or in your backyard, this lightweight grill is built for convenience without compromising on quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to USA Tech Picks for more top tech finds. See you in the next one.